The sun is coming up, are you ready to go? We can take a ride, we can take it slow. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall. Your will is my law, I'ma let you be the boss, 'cause I'll go where you go. When you fall down, I'll get you back up again. The things you try are things that you won't regret. We are kings of...
I know it's pretty loud with the wind blowing and vehicles passing, but I wanted to mark this as a landmark event. $200,000 miles and rolling on. I just got the oil changed about 50 miles ago, 50 or 60 miles ago, and the technician said that it is obvious that this vehicle is well maintained. I want to keep Sarah on the road as long as I can.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
For those that have been following my YouTube adventures, this is going to be a bit of a, well, it's going to sound like a broken record. But to be honest with you, as I'm traveling and I experience some of the things that you're about to see, it is really disturbing. There is so much beauty to be had. There is so much beauty to be seen. And then you have individuals who will, in this case, come in the cover of night and take down their campsite and leave all of their trash in the fire pit. Now, I mean, ultimately what happens is the next person that comes along is going to end up having to either pick that up or break it down and burn it. Otherwise, it's just left there for someone else to take care of. It is highly requested by myself and many other people, if you bring something in, take it out. Do not, please do not leave trash just laying around. Well, it definitely doesn't look as pretty as it did yesterday. In fact, there is a threat of rain. We're under a severe thunderstorm watch. You can see off in the distance here that it's not solid, but the cloud line is supposed to be running southwest to northeast. And that's the north. It seems like most of the activity's heading that way. But could certainly skirt over the top of me over this lake, and it's supposed to be coming from that direction, which is to say that it'll be blowing right up underneath this tarp, so it's probably not going to do me any good tonight. In fact, I'm thinking about going and putting my swim trunks on. It's kicking now. Hasn't started raining yet, but the wind is very significant. Got the tarp tightened up as much as I can right now. If I have to, I'll take it down, because it is kicking right now.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Come down to the underground old school. Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?